Tough terrains call for tough tracks. Each are uniquely designed to weather the most extreme conditions. Our E-Series rubber track replacements both meet and surpass OEM specs. These tracks feature virgin rubber with a Kevlar-coated core. Our elite rubber tracks provide a smoother ride at maximum speeds while reducing the risk of detracking. Depending on the machine, they also reduce vibration and noise levels up to 100%. The precise pitch of the E-Series ensure perfect sprocket and track engagement while maintaining a flawless alignment on steel cables and iron core. The PR Series are built to OEM specifications and specially formulated with multi-strand cables that are spun in a tight spiral to create a wide steel belt. Like all our tracks, they go through vigorous climate testing to avoid tearing, cutting, and crackage. Their interlaced steel core can maximize life expectancy by up to 50%. The PM Series tracks are continuously wrapped in a solid steel core, feature drop-forged steel inserts, and enclose in combat-ready rubber, increasing performance, traction, tread life, and part longevity. Speak to a sales representative today at 888-838-8722.